First frost last night.
It's a 2-jacket system in the morning when it's cold. By the afternoon, no jacket. That's when you know it's fall weather. Ooh, it's nice and warm in here.
It's nice with the fender controls on the Massey. You can start the PTO right from the ground.
It's warming up. I'm gonna have to go down to 1 jacket here. Getting closer to the end. 5 days left of grinding.
This combine's got a bit of a rumble when you're combining. You can feel it. We're gonna do some further inspections here. Feed accelerator, maybe. Can't see anything wrong. It's not like a paddle's missing or something's in there.
Not sure. Don't see anything out of the ordinary. Combine's quite dirty, like the pulleys are right full of dirt. Blew those off unless that threw something out of balance, but I doubt that's it. It seems like it's getting worse, so we'll see what happens there. Next on the agenda, get the disc. We're going to disc a spot where we are putting our canola bag. We've never bagged canola before. We're almost out of bin space. So we're gonna disc the stubble down where we're gonna put the bag because the stubble can poke holes in the bag. Some guys say don't do this, others say I've only done this. Some people cut the stubble real high where they're gonna put the bag and the pan will lay the stubble over. Some people cut it close to the ground so there is no stubble. Some people don't do anything. I don't know. We've never done this before, so we're gonna disc it because I like this thing and it's already hooked up. I'm gonna find a good place here and see what it looks like. Probably make a pass, lift up, turn around, and make the same pass, like just packing it again, pack that dirt in because you don't want the ground to be loose because the brakes won't hold on the bag. So we'll see here. Getting hot. Gotta lose a jacket. Oh, we might as well get this while we're here. Nice. I love this thing. This is the spot. This is it. Honestly, I think I made it worse. Instead of having, if I just left it, you'd have all these and they would just lay over. Now I made a lot of these and that's gonna puncture the bag. It's like little knives, a million knives under your bag. Let's try this. Disc this 3 times. Maybe it'll be no good either. Got rid of a lot more stubble though. Either you gotta make it right black or don't even bother. I'm not sure. I haven't really accomplished much this morning.
forget to put it down to get on the phone.
Change of plans. We're gonna haul for one more day and figure it out after today. Can't figure out a good spot for the bag, and maybe we won't put it here at home to start. Maybe we'll go north. Plus our grain cart driver, we have him for 2 more days, and then he's got to go back to work to his actual job. And so we might as well haul while we have the manpower, and then if we got a bag because we got a guy less, then we'll do that. Is that combine any smoother?
Hey, yeah, I think it is.
What? Fixed. Oh really? I didn't think that's what it would be. The dirt and the pulleys threw it off balance, maybe. Hopefully that's all it was. This header always needs a good warm-up. Go high idle and it whines at you. All starts with a good warm-up. Get the legs going, feel the music, feel the puck, rip a couple shots. But the bag is on the bagger and it's ready for whenever we need it, probably tomorrow. Couple bins that we can use today. Just unsure of the spot. We're gonna chip away at some areas that like are kind of twisty turny and haul from there, and then once we get that bag set up, we'll be on like a good kind of mile stretch and put in the bagger there. I got this little vacuum cleaner, Amazon. It's great for the cabs. Canola at the yard last night that was yielding very similar, but harder threshing. It was loud going through. Last pass of this quarter. Here's 850 acres at home here. Find a new section of the field. Heavy here. Some thick stuff right here. Maybe this will be a spot for a bag. And we won't touch the stubble. Just lay it over and hope for the best. Now the boys are gonna get something figured out. They're gonna come up with a plan. Responding in weeks. Switch combines before. This window needs a wipe down. I'm empty, but I can't see anything. Just pumping in there. She's full. Thick here. Got some fungicide on here too. Ran out of fertilizer just a little bit farther south, so it counteracts that. Supper time. Tire check. Tire check. Tire check. Everything accounted for. Just gotta clean my hopper window. Can't see anything. Now I can see. Much better. Much better. Needs a wash in the morning, but at least I can see what's going on. Inside needs done too. Don't know why the canola is so dusty this year. It's like combining peas almost. This stuff's actually not that bad. Where it's sprayed with the fungicide is better than not sprayed. not sprayed, it's right black. Wind at our back going west. Makes it tough to see. Need the fent lights, cuts right through the dust. Need the grain car lights to help me see. Okay. Just look at those lights. That's lighting up half the field.
I'll unload again too, Brendan, if you got room.
I got candlesticks. Packing it in. 10 o'clock. It's long enough. Super B's full. Cart will have some in it for the bagger sitting over there. Finally, tomorrow, put a bag down here. 173 acres on this combine, but there's almost 30 acres on here to start with. So between the two combines, close to 300 acres, 280 maybe, which is a pretty decent day for this time of year. Third of the day we're cutting in the dark, but that's what you get when it's October. Thanks for watching. See ya.